Hello, I'm Lilla. Welcome to £1 Million Homes. This is Footscray Mansion. Let me show you around.
So special.
So the first thing you notice when you walk in here is the vast amount of space. You've got 10,000 square foot of space here with 7 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. Let me show you the kitchen. So you've got a massive kitchen area. This island is huge. You've got all the storage space underneath it and all the appliances you might need right behind. There isn't anything that you might need for a kitchen that this kitchen does not stack. And whilst you're cooking and slaving away, you can have your mates over. They can sit over there and watch you. Perhaps help, or maybe not, just kick back and have a beer. But you've got this whole seating area here and on this side as well, that people can just come and chill out with you in the kitchen. What I really like about glass staircases is it just opens up the room, doesn't it? It looks really, really sick. It looks modern, it's nice, it's kind of a centerpiece of this particular room, splitting up the kitchen and the dining room. I really like it, it looks really sick. Okay, so we've got this cool dining table, it's marble. It will fit all your family and friends around. It's really cool. You've got the nice centerpiece at the top there. And what else can you say about such a cool area to dine in? Sweet, so now we've got the cinema room. Come, let me show you this. Oh, but first, this was brought in from Thailand. This is hand carved in wood. Look how cool this is. It looks medieval. Okay, so from the front of the house to the end, you've got about 26 square meters. So this area alone is about 14 square meters for the living room. You've got a really fat, that 70-inch TV, and everything you see here comes sold with the house. So you can host your mates here, you can host your family. Look how cool this chaise longue is. Just imagine yourself sat here having some pâte de neuf and relaxing all day long. This is the life, isn't it? Are you ready for the best feature of the house? This is 2 acres of land. This isn't even a garden. It's absolutely huge. It's like having a park. 2 acres, I don't even know how large 2 acres is, but it's massive. So much so that you've even got a moat. This is so that people don't attack you. This is your protection against the outside world. So you're not going to have a 10,000 square foot house without having an indoor pool. It's heated, it's 20 foot. What more do you need? We've got a really cool games room. No, we don't have a games room, this is just a pool tent. And if I pop one ball, I'm going to win the house. You ready?
So special.
Okay, so this is the 2nd floor. Have a look at the space behind you. It's so beautiful. These wooden beams are part of the original features of the house. So about 1750. They look so cool. I think this is what makes this room really, really special and stand out. You've got 3 bedrooms on this floor. You've got multiple en-suites, but this is another living room to kick back. And what I really like about this room, a special extra feature, is this hook. So this is kind of where you'd have your floaty chairs, if you know what I mean. If you know, you know. Perfect positioning for it too. But yeah, let me come show you the bedrooms. Okay, so this is one of the 3 bedrooms on this floor. It's really cool because you've got the bathtub as a central feature of the room. So when you're in bed, you can watch whoever you're with bathing. I mean, what else do you want? You've got a chaise longue, which they can't resist having in this house. I've seen about 5 of them. And everything comes with the sale of the house, which is brilliant. I love the features. You've got this in every room on this floor. And this features really, really make the room stand out. It's really cool. So this is one of 3 on this floor. I really like the design. It's got its own ensuite as well. And then the beams just really stand out with the grey and then the wood. It looks really cool. I love it. Got a telescope here for if you want to be a nosy neighbour, you know, with all this land. Probably what you'd be doing at night to keep yourself entertained. This is it. This is the master bedroom. It's quite substantially bigger than the others, and it's got its own walk-in wardrobe. But I love the gold mixed in with the porcelain and all the white and the wood. It just blends really well together. I love the boards behind the bed as well. Just adds a really nice, I love the accents of rose gold and this kind of marble style look. And again, you've got this all the way through this whole floor. It's just so, so, so pretty. Come, let me show you the walk-in wardrobe. If you needed another entrance to the house, this is it. I really like this. It's like an art gallery. So you've got the exposed brick, you've got this kind of like pebbly look, and then you've got a different type of brick over here. It just looks really cool. It's really smart.